let me ask you something, and I want you to really feel this. Teachers, how many of you have felt na parang lagi na lang may bago? Like, we have new forms, new grading systems, new terms, new assessments, and nobody really stops to ask kung okay ka pa ba. O nararamdaman niyo po ba ngayon yun na may mga pagbabago po sa ating sistema, may mga bagong form, may mga bagong grading systems na naman tayo, new terms na naman, new planning or lesson planning, new assessment format, no? Pero wala naman huminto para magtanong kung okay ka ba. Because I know that feeling eh. Kasi teacher din po ako from Quezon City. So, and for a long time, I carried that same weight, that late nights, the lesson plans, the constant feeling that no matter how much you do, it's never quite enough. But at some point, something shifted for me. I stopped seeing all these new systems as something that was happening to me and started seeing them as signal, a signal that this is exactly the right moment for us as teachers, as educators, to choose to work smarter. Hindi na tayo mag-aantay na at this point may magsisave pa sa atin. We can build the systems that actually work for us. And that's what AI system skills is all about. Not just learning tools, but moving from tools to thinking systems. Systems that help us reclaim our time, guide our students better, and make teaching feel sustainable again. So whether you're with us this morning or mamaya po, atin po sila ng seminar mamayang gabi, you're exactly where you need to be. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon pala, nagpapasalamat na po ako sa tiwala po ninyo. Let's make every minute of this count. Again, welcome po, teachers, and let's begin. I asked everyone who sign up, di ba po, may form po kayong finilapan, ano yung pinakamalaking hamon sa atin? They were honest, no? And I think they were heavy as well. And 115 out of 142 of you said you spend too much time on lesson planning, checking papers, and creating materials. And that's 81% of this room. 8 out of 10 teachers here today, okay, are exhausted from paperwork alone. At alam nyo ba kung ano yung nakakatuwa o nakakalungkot doon? It's not that you're slow. It's not that you're not good enough. It's that the system keeps piling things up or piling things on the top of you without giving you better tools to handle it. Alam nyo ba, teachers, 89 of you said lack proper AI training. 80 teachers, no, out of 142 said you feel overwhelmed by too many AI tools. 71 teachers nagsasabi na they don't even know where to start when it comes sa pag-integrate ng AI sa mga lesson. Yan po, nakita ko po yung mga sagot po ninyo doon at binasa ko po, in-analyze ko po lahat. And I want you to hear this clearly. My fellow teachers, there is nothing wrong with you, with us. You are some of the most dedicated teachers in this country. The fact that you're here on a Saturday, giving up your time, that already says everything. And now, here's the part that gave me hope naman, syempre. 28 of you said they already tried artificial intelligence, but it didn't improve your teaching. And honestly, yun ang pinaka-exciting na sagot para sa akin. Because that means you already took the first step. You just haven't found the right system yet. And that's exactly what we're here to build today. Not just about another tool, hindi po ito tool na iniisip po ninyo, but much deeper on that, a thinking system. One that works for you, for us, so you can finally stop working against the clock. So my fellow teachers, I'm going to ask you a question. Handa na po ba tayo?